Thank you for joining the Pioneer Library System. I'm Jessica, and in addition to being a librarian, I am also a skater. And there are my skates, right back there. I like to park skate and street skate, and whenever I'm on something with wheels, I always wear a helmet. And the great thing about helmets, in addition to protecting that noggin up there, is that you get to personalize it. So a lot of people like to put stickers on. I've got a lot of stickers on my helmet. And another way you can personalize it is with your own art. So today I am going to talk to you about how to show off your personality on your helmet with Sharpie Art. All you need to do this project is your helmet, a Sharpie, and a paper and pencil. So today I am going to design some art for my helmet based on my favorite movie and musical, Hedwig and the Angry Inch. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to start by sketching my design in pencil. So I'm using imagery here from the movie that's meaningful to me, and no spoilers, but I'll say that this face represents a wholeness of self, and I'm going to set it against a backdrop of Zeus's lightning bolts. And just as an aside, if you already are a fan of Hedwig and you haven't read Plato's Symposium, I'd recommend it. That's what the song Origin of Love is based on. I'm going to finish it off with some lyrics from the final song, Lift Up Your Hands. Great, and now I'm going to outline it in Sharpie just to make sure I like the way the design looks in marker. Fantastic. It's a little rough, but I like it, and it is time to draw it on my helmet. So I'm going to start by penciling in the design, and it's hard to see here, but it's enough for me to plan out the space and make any adjustments I want to make before making it permanent with the Sharpie. And now the fun part, tracing over with your marker. Now this is permanent, so you want to try as much as you can to follow your design. But if you make a mistake, that's okay. You can incorporate it into your design, or for things like lettering, I find that going over it a second time helps even it out a little bit. I know it's tricky to draw and record at the same time, so here are some progress pictures as I added the elements. It's a little rustic looking, but I think it looks pretty good. Ta-da! The finished product, or finished for now. That's the fun thing about personalizing your helmet, is you can just keep adding bits here and there, or you could go all the way and you could plan out a whole helmet mural. The possibilities are really endless. Thanks for joining us today. To learn more about Sharpie Art, try Sharpie Art Workshop by Timothy Goodman. You can get that with your library card on Hoopla. And happy Sharpieing! There it is.